Hi, welcome to the tutorial session for ISSMD 2020 poster session. So in this video, I will explain how to proceed and how to join the team. So basically, this mail has been sent to all of you. So you have to just copy it. You can just right click it and copy link location. For the timing, I'm going to some new private window. So I clicked yes. So now I am already using Team as an organizer in my Teams app, so I will use the web app instead. Okay, so now so this window will appear. So basically I copied, sorry, so this was my new email. Okay, and this is basically dummy ISSMD @gmail.com. Okay, so I click next. So we could not find an account with that username because I have just created it. So I will just use some other option, sign in this and this. So what I will do, I will go to some other tab, and then I will create an Microsoft account. So if you have already created, then you need not to do this step. So I again entered my new ID, then I entered some password. Okay, so the Microsoft will send some code, so basically I have to check it. Okay, now this code is my inbox, it's 797. So your Microsoft ID has been created. Okay, there are some options. Yeah. Okay, says, see these are some options, you can choose either yes or no. So I'm just used no option, and now just wait for few seconds. Okay, something like this will appear. So our Microsoft account has been created. So I just clicked there, and I again, okay, again it is not finding with Microsoft account. Let me go to the Microsoft account again. So I have signed in from dummy ISSMD, and this is my account. Maybe there is a verification process. Let me check. Okay, the email ID has already been verified. Maybe it is taking some time, so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes and repeat this process again. So what I will do, I will again go to my link. So this was the link. I will go to my browser again and click, and then I will use the web app instead. then I will again okay, so I will click next. Now it has searched, does not exist. So how to resolve this problem? So I go to this my organization side. So I am looking for this mail. So I added this email as a guest here. So now on the organization side, this particular email ID has been added as a guest. Okay, so again I will go to this and dummy issmt@gmail.co. Okay, now since I have added it here, so this problem is not appearing. So I clicked accept. So basically, in order to use this particular team, you should be added in this team. So we have already added all the members. So as you can see, just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Pardon me for my bad internet. So we have already added, so there are 143 participants in this particular team. So they are already added as a member. So if you are facing any problem like I was and window was appeared, so that means there is some problem with your email. So you have to cross check whether you are using the same email ID that you have provided us to log in the uh, Microsoft account or Microsoft Teams. Okay, so the process has been completed. So I will again choose use the web app instead. So just give it some time. Okay, so this will appear now. I clicked as next, next, next. Let's go. Okay, so when I click this, this will appear here, and you can see this channel has been appear, this team, and there are several. Sorry, this team has been appeared here, and there are several other channels also. So basically, let us say I want to present a poster and my name is Neetu Kanda. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to go to the Neetu Kanda channel. I have to double click it. So when I double click it, what will happen? This window will appear. Okay, now since I want to present a poster here, so what I will do, I will click this icon here, meet. So when I click there, so basically this feature has not been supported by the web browser, so I have to do some other thing. So what I can do, so if you are using Teams, let us say here I am using Teams, the same options are there. I am Neetu Kanda. I clicked here and I again started this meeting by clicking meet now. Now you can see this window will appear here. So this is meeting in 205 Neetu Kanda. So these are some permissions and I clicked join now. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so now I am in this meeting Neetu Kanda. So now you can also see here this icon. So that means someone has started the meeting in this particular channel and everyone can see this icon. So if you want to see what Neetu is presenting, what you have to do, you have to go inside this particular, you have to click this channel, Neetu Kanda. Then this icon will appear here, join. Do not press this button. If this room belongs to you, then only click this button. Otherwise, just click this option if the meeting has already started. So now the meeting has already started. I click join. So again, I cannot join because my browser does not support this. Okay, so what I can do, I can copy this and I will go to, yeah, just wait. I will go to Microsoft Edge. So Edge basically support this. So that's why I am here. Now, so I am using the web app and the email ID is different. So I am logging out. Okay, so now I am signing in as a participant. Okay, so I want to use the web app. So as you can see, right now I have started the meeting in Neetu Kanda. I am organizer, so I can create meeting in any channel, but you as a participant will not be able to create this. So you can see this icon. That means in this particular channel, someone is presenting, Neetu is presenting, and I want to join this. So I clicked join, and okay, I clicked here. Now I am in this meeting. Okay, so this dummy ISSMD is in particular room. Now if I am as a need to, if I want to present my screen, what I have to do, I have to click this share. So I can share my screen. So my screen is visible now. So let us say I want to present some PDF. Okay, so basically, yeah. So I want to present some PDF. Yeah, so this, by this mean I can present. So right now I am presenting. So everybody in my room can see this presentation, and if they have question, they can ask directly. So I can stop sharing by using this button. So I clicked it. Now I have two options. So I can leave this particular meeting or I can end this meeting for all. Since I have started this meeting, all the rights are with me. And as a dummy, as a, I can say the audience or the attendees, they can ask by unmuting their camera. They can also share, but you have to share only in your room. Okay, not you should not share in anyone's room. So for the time being, I'm leaving this meeting. I'm ending this meeting basically. So if I end this meeting, so this will also end for this particular person. Okay, so this was how to join different channel. Now again, I will let us say this. Okay, one more thing I would like to add. Maybe some channels are not visible directly. So what you have to do, you have to click this for 34 hidden channels. So let us say my name is Ravindra Kumar, and I clicked here show. Now Ravindra Kumar is there. Now as a Ravindra Kumar, I want to create a meeting and present my poster. So basically this is team. This is a general, big, you can say, lobby where every can plenary talks are arranged. So this is like a conference, and in some big room there are so many attendees and participants. They are enjoying the talk of the plenary, the speakers, plenary speakers, and mini review as well. But in the same some other rooms there are poster presentations. So these are basically these rooms. So you can go inside any rooms. No one out from outside the room can hear you. So if you go inside, you can chat with them, you can discuss all about the presentation. So as I was telling, let us say my name is Ravindra and I want to present my poster. So I clicked Ravindra Kumar, and now I want to create a meeting. So I created this meeting by using this meet option, and I clicked meet now. Okay, so now the meeting has been started. Okay, so if I select, if I check on my other side, so you can see in Ravindra Kumar, you will see this icon. This means Ravindra has started this meeting in this particular channel, and Ravindra is also showing. Ravindra is also showing. Let us say he want to show the PDF. So if you want to show the PDF, I have clicked there, and you can see if I want to share my whole screen, everything will be visible if I use this option. If I want to present only the this particular PDF, then I have to use this application window, and I clicked here and I clicked share. Okay, now this particular window is has been shared, and now from the other side, I as a participant, not Ravindra Kumar, I want to see what Ravindra is presenting. So I will click on the channel. So this link will appear because Ravindra has started the meeting, and I clicked join. So when I do that, you can again see Ravindra, that means dummy ISMD, this particular thing is presenting, and I can see whatever he is presenting. So there is some network issue, that's why the image is blur. So this is how we can share the presentation in the particular room. So you can also, as I said earlier, you can also unmute this and chat with the presenter. So as a participant, as an attendee, you should not uh, click this icon. So this was all about this meeting in the channel, how to present the poster, and now I am leaving this particular meeting. So if I leave this meeting, the meeting is still running because I have not ended it. So whosoever has started the meeting, only he or she can end it. So now Ravindra Autonomy ISMD has cancelled it. Okay, now you can also see some icon here. That means in the general channel, some meeting is running. So basically someone has opened this meeting and has not ended it. So what I will do, I will create another meeting. So by the same way, I can create it. Okay, and if I see, I can go inside this meeting. So all the plenary talks, oral presentation will happen in the general room, and all the poster session will happen in these channels. So basically, in order to be familiar with all these poster channels, we have also placed this session, test session 2 tomorrow. So I request to everyone that you should do it by yourself so that in the actual time of first session, you should be able to do all this without any other problems. You should be able to do it fluently. Okay. So there may be sometimes there is a problem like you click and nothing will appear on the right side. So this is the problem at user end. What you have to do, you have to log out from your application, then again sign in, and if the problem persists, then you should reinstall your app. So I recommend you to use Microsoft Teams apps, desktop app. Do not use on the do not use mobile. And if you somehow you are not able to use Microsoft Teams app, then use this Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so that was all about. If you have still other question, you are free to ask in the WhatsApp group or email. Thank you.